Hello everyone, my name is Fuad. I am your mathematics teacher. Today I am gonna to explain you a simple trick to mathematics multiplication. Uh, Welcome everyone to MUKTAR TUBE. Uh, Today we will see about multiplication in a simple way. How can we multiply these two numbers together? This method is all about substituting numbers with lines or with tally. Firstly, as we can see from the first digit in the equation, the first digit is 1. So, which means we draw one line like this, and the second digit is, or the next digit is 3. So we leave a little space in the, then draw 3 lines parallel to the first one like this. Like this. Then, as you can see, after the multiplication sign, there is the number we have is 2. So we draw the two line next to each other, which is perpendicular to the first equation, like this, like this. Uh, and the last digit is 1, so we draw one line on this zone, like this. Then we have to count the number of intersection after dividing this into 3 zones. The first zone is this one, the second is this one, uh, and the third zone is this one. Then, starting from right hand zone, we have to count the number of intersections. In the first zone, 1, 2, 3, there are 3 intersections, and in the second zone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 number of intersection. On the third zone, there are only two intersections. We have to write like this. And then the answer is equals to 2, 7, 3. We have to write it respectively from left hand zone to the right hand zone. When we count it, we have to start from right hand zone. But when we write the answer, we have to start from the left hand zone. Keep in mind, bear in mind this.